Hello, welcome to Chile TV channel, and I'm Chi. Today I got a phone call from my friend. He complained that his boiler has no heat. He afraid to call mechanic, but he called me first. He say come in to check it out. Okay, I try. I love to help people, so I went down there and I checked the boiler, and I find out that the pressure control switch look like doesn't work, and the pigtail, right, look like dirty too. So I went out there and I remove everything and I bring back to my workbench, and I'm going to clean it up, and I have to calibrate the pressure control switch. So let me show you the boiler. This is the one I removed from that boiler. This is control switch. So when I went out there, right, I have the pilot light. The thermostat is set, so boiler doesn't work. That is the boiler I'm talking about this afternoon, and after I troubleshoot and I find out that the pressure control switch didn't reset because something wrong in here. And this is the pigtail right here. You see, pigtail, and there is another pie underneath of the pigtail, and this one go to the boiler. This end here go to the boiler. Okay, so I took them off and I bring home, and I'm going to check, and also I'm going to do calibration on the switch. But when I was there, I tried to get this screwdriver, and I tap switch. I tap the switch, and I hear click, which means the switch is hung up inside here. The switch is hung up, and the boiler stay on. So I know there's something wrong with the switch, and that's why I bring home and I'm going to check everything. But look like I have this big pigtail got clogged, or this one got clogged. So right now I'm trying to clear this guy out and clear this guy out. Let's see what happened inside. But I look from my eyes, I see inside here has a lot of dust, and I don't know about this, but I'm going to check. Okay, I'm going to check this pipe. You can use any rod, get any hard wire, but I use a soldering wire. And look like inside here has a lot of dust in here. I can see from my eyes. I'm going to clean it out. Wow, it's hard. It's very hard. You see that? It clogged. That's why I believe that most of the time the boiler not working is because of this. They never clean the boiler. They never do maintenance. Usually, all the owner they do when they do maintenance before the winter. They only clean out the dirty water, and they check the thermostat battery. That's it. So this one they call lack of maintenance. When you do maintenance, you have to check everything. Make sure everything is okay. But in the power plant, they check maintenance like annually. You just check it too. After you clean all the dust, you can let the water run one side and the water go out another side here. Just run this way and come out here to clean all the dust from the pipe. Wow, very dirty. This is telling me that the boiler only work and depend on the thermostat. Keep working harder and harder, and this switch never work. This switch here doesn't work at all. If you have your boiler has a similar problem, you can do this way instead of call a mechanic. The mechanic sometimes they don't come right away until you call 24-hour emergency mechanic, and then they come, but they will cost you money. Wow, very dirty. So now I'm going to check pigtail. This one later I'm going to clean with the water. Here we go. This is the pigtail here. You can take it out and then you can clean with the water or with the rag. But I don't think the rag will clean this out because it's too deep. Wow, it's clear. Oh wow, very dirty. The pigtail and the pipe, both of them got clogged. You can do this way with your clog. Now let the water run through the pigtail. Make sure they all clear. Wow. This one still got clogged. About this guy. This one still got clogged. See? No water come out here. I try to clean, but it's clogged inside very deep. That's why I would like to recalibrate the switch to make sure that the diaphragm in here is okay. So that's the next video I'm going to do. But today I only share with you troubleshooting the boiler no heat. Have a pilot light but no heat. This is two items I just checked already. They both of them got clogged. So I'm going to check the switch. This one they call mercury switch. It's not a micro switch. So Honeywell make. Okay, I'm going to check. Circuitry for this switch. Right now, in normal operation, when the boiler offline, the switch has to open. No, switch has to be closed. It's ready for the boiler. So I already hooked up with the wire and with my meter. So I'm going to turn this on, and right now my switch closed, so it's ready for the boiler to turn on. And when you have the high pressure, or when you have the high pressure, do this way, the contact will open and cut off the boiler. Low pressure, high pressure, you see? That the contact we make up, that's ready for the boiler. The boiler will turn on. So when this switch hang up, the switch contact always open. Sometimes you have the pressure build up inside here because this one got clogged. The pigtail got clogged, right? So all the high pressure get trapped in here. That's why the contact will open. It stay open all the time. That's why he cannot turn on the boiler. And right now, after I remove this pigtail, the contact is clear. It reset. See, reset. It's ready for the boiler. But I'm going to calibrate this switch anyway. That is the next video I'm going to do. So also right now I'm trying to share with you the circuitry for this boiler, how the boiler works. The circuit for the boiler, I just give you a basic understanding of just the basic, okay? So we start with the transformer right here. The isolate transformer, 120 volt AC coming in. And the secondary is a 12 volt AC output. And the first element you see is the thermostat. the thermostat switch. The thermostat switch. And the second one, the next one will be cut off switch. Cut off low water, cut off low water, cut off switch. Okay, this one has to be closed because when you don't have low water, it stays closed. And the next one will be pressure control switch, the one that I just showed you before. Pressure control switch. And next one will be overspill switch. We mean when the water level high, this switch will open. Okay, and but right now it closed because the water level when I went down there, everything is normal, like a little bit more than half. So assuming that I don't have low water cut off switch open, I don't have overspill switch open. This is what we call spill, overspill switch. Okay, so this one okay, this one is okay. The pressure control switch is the one that we just talked about. Okay, and all the switch here, all kind of switch right here, but I don't want to listen here because so many of them. So that come down to the valve, the gas valve. Okay, the gas valve here, and the one return. So this valve right now is waiting for this switch contact to close so that the valve will energize and open the gas for the main boiler, the burner. Right now the temperature switch is stay on, so the contact right now is closed. Right now it's closed. Right? It's closed. This is closed. This is closed. And all of this, assuming that all of this is closed, except the pressure switch still open. That's why the gas valve doesn't have the 12 volt AC. That's why the gas valve never turn on. Inside here have the solenoid. The solenoid will open up the valve mechanically. So this one just basic understanding about the circuit for steam boiler. The real circuitry for a steam boiler is different, very complicated, but I simplify for you so that you can understand. I'm sorry before I say 12 volt AC here, but it's not 12 volts, it's 24 volts. I'm sorry. 24 volts, okay? 24 volt AC. And this one's supposed to have 24 volt AC. When this switch closed and you have the full circuit, and to energize the solenoid, and solenoid will open, let the gas go into the burner. Okay, this video just show you how to troubleshoot the control switch for the boiler has no heat but has a pilot light. So in the next video I'm going to do perform calibration for this mercury switch. So I hope you guys follow my next video. So I'm going to stop video here. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching Chile TV. Bye bye.